All right, class. Good morning, everyone. Uh, I can take any random names for your speaking test today. You have to switch on your cameras and then recite the poem. Others, those who's not reciting the poem, like for example, I have given the chance to Pratham. So while Pratham is reciting, others can revise the poem, but when they are done, suppose Pratham is done with his speaking skills, like Aditya has already recited. So what Aditya is going to do today is he has to write the essay. I'm giving you the topics for essay also. So you have to do the revision of essay writing. A very quick recapitulation of what is essay. Essay is not paragraph writing. Essay means you have to write at least three paragraphs. First paragraph has to be introduction. Introduction in the sense that what is you are going to write a brief description. Second, more details about your topic. And third paragraph will be conclusion. You can leave one line between your paragraphs so that I know you have different paragraphs named. Fine. This question I can guarantee you will come in the exam. But topic, it could be any topic. Fine. So essay writing on any topic can be given, but you should be prepared of writing at least three paragraphs. That is 150 to 200 words you have to write on one topic. Any doubt in essay writing, anyone? If you have any doubt, please ask. Yadvi, do you have a doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So let's start. Anyone who wants to volunteer for starting with your speaking skills, you can raise your hands. Yes, Aditya, do you have a doubt?
Ma'am, we I can take any topic.
No, but I have given you two topics. You have to write on both. It is for your practice. Okay, you can
Ma'am,
start
which
with any. I'm giving the topic. I will share my screen. Don't worry. I'm sharing my screen. I'm giving you topics. You can start with any of the topics. Fine. The
okay,
first
ma'am.
topic. Let me share my screen. Just a minute. Okay, I hope my screen is visible to everyone. The first says a day without electricity. So you have to write an essay about how will be the day, or if you have faced such situation, so how it was a day without electricity. You have to imagine, you just imagine that there is a day without electricity from morning till next morning. So how, what will things can happen? How will you cope up? And what all difficulties or what all solutions you will face. Fine. Second is noise pollution. That is very easy. You can tell about what is noise pollution, then factors of noise pollution, and in third, how to stop the noise pollution. Fine. Any doubt you can ask me. Anyone? All right. So I'm taking as no more doubts. Fine. Let's start with the speaking skills. Please remember to switch on your videos when you are speaking, when you are reciting the poem. Fair enough? Okay. Let's start. Yadvi, do you want to start?
Ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Advijan. I read in fifth class. Today I will recite a poem. Poem. The shut the shut they shut the road through the woods. They shut the road through the woods. They shut the roads through the woods 70 years ago. 70 years ago.
Yadvi,
Weather and rain.
okay, Yadvi, just wait. Is the noise coming from your end? There is a lot of
Ma'am,
noise
please
coming.
wait. Ma'am, please wait.
Yeah, please tell everyone to be quiet. Okay, till then, Pratham, you can start.
Ma'am, now can I speak?
Okay, Yadvi, start.
They shut the road through the woods 70 years ago. Weather and rain have undone it again. Undone it again. And never you never would like to know. There was once a road wood through the wood before they planting the trees. It it is underneath the coppice and heath and heath and the thin and the thin anemones. Only the keeper see only the keeper see the only the keeper see the the ring dove broads and the bodgers all eat roll it is. There was once a road. There was once a road before the woods. Thank you.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Yadvi,
ma'am,
you
now
can.
I
Yes, you can start with the essay writing. Navneet,
okay,
you can
ma'am.
start next. Navneet, okay.
My name is I'm here to decide
It's a little louder. Your voice is little slow. Come near it or just speak a little louder.
1 minute.
Yeah, it's clear now.
Hello everyone, my name is Navneet Banerjee. I'm here to recite the poem. Name is The Way to the Wood. They shut the road through the wood 70 years ago. Weather and rain have undone it again, and now you would never know there was a road through the wood before they planted the trees. It is underneath and copies and health and the thing enemies. Only keep see that even that where the ring done broke and the band rolled as is there was a once a road through the wood. Yes, yet if you enter the wood of summer evening evening later when the night is full on the spring full up where the other distillery is made, they fear not man in the wood, because they see so you feel there to beat of a horse feet and swing of a skirt in the dew, standing scuttling through the mist solitude as should they perfect knew the old lost road through the woods, but there is no road through the woods.
Excellent, Navneet. Pratham, you can go next. Yadvi and Navneet, you can lower your hands. Yes,
Good
Pratham,
morning,
start.
teachers and my dear friends. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Pratham, and I am going to recite a poem named The Way to the Wood. They shut the road to the wood 70 years ago. Weather and rain done it again, and you would never know. There was a road to the wood before they planted the trees. It is underneath the poppies and the head and the thin enemies. Only the creeper sees that bear the ring the fruit and the beggars roll at the seas. There runs a road through the woods. The writer name is Rudyard Kipling. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Is it a writer or the poet?
Sorry, poet.
All right, very good, Pratham. Vitan
Thank you,
next.
ma'am.
Vitan.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I am Vitan of class 5th B. Today I am represented a poem. The poem name is The Way to the Woods. They said the road. They said the road to the woods 70 years ago. Weather and rain have undone it again. And now would you never know? There was once a road through the wood before they planted tree. It is underneath of poppy eyes, and in the head, and the thin anemones. Only keeper sees that where the ring dog
Vitan,
dots. Yes, ma'am.
are you reading from the book?
No, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Okay.
learned first paragraph only.
Yeah, that's okay, Vitan. Just put your hands on your eyes. Yeah, now start.
They said the road. They said the road to the woods 70 years ago. Weather and rain undone. Weather and rain undone it again. Weather and rain undone it again now. And now, and now you can never know. There, there was, there was a, there was once a road through the woods. There was once a road through the woods before they planted the trees. It is underneath of copy eyes and the and the thin anemones. Only keep, keeper sees keeper sees there is a round there is a ring bounded that the beggar is to roll. There is a road. There was a road. There was a once a road that there was once a road that made of wood. The poet name is Kipling.
Rudyard Kipling.
Rudyard Kipling. Have a nice day.
Very good, Vitan. I hope everyone has seen the topic. Can I just stop sharing so that I can see you more clearly? If you
Okay,
have any
ma'am.
doubt in the essay topics, let me know. I'll share the screen again. But I hope you have written the first topic
No,
at least.
ma'am.
All right. Ruchika, go next.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Joy. Today I will recite a poem that name is The Way Through the Wood. They shut the road through the wood 70 years ago. weather and the rain have been under its again. And now ever would never know. There was once a road through the wood before they planted the tree. It is it is underneath any coppice and hell, and the thin uh, enzyme only the keeper see that where the ring drove brown and the bridge roll at Eze, there was once a road through the wood. The poet name is Rudyard Kipling. Thank you.
Excellent one. Tanishq, go next. Tanishq, your voice is
Yes, ma'am.
your voice is breaking. Tanishq, your voice is
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरी आवाज रुक रही है
Yes, Tanishq, start again, but it's okay.
Ma'am, it's my voice coming now.
Yes, it is.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Tansbas. I read in class with B. Today I recite a poem named The Way Throughout the Woods. They shut the road throughout the woods 70 years ago. Weather and rain has undone it again, and now you will never know. There was once a road throughout the woods before they planted the trees. It is underneath the copies and health, and then annuals only the keeper sees that where the ring dove roads and the badgers roll it is. There was once a road throughout the woods. Thank you. This poem, this poem is written by Rudyard Kipling. Thank you.
Excellent. Prachi, go next.
Ma'am, can I mute myself?
Yes, Tanishq, you can. Prachi, go next.
They shut the road through the woods 70 years ago. Weather and rain have undone it again, and now you would never know there was once a road through the woods before they planted the tree. It is underneath.
Prachi, sit down. I cannot see your face. Come a little down. Yes, now recite.
They first line. Name with the first line. Then first line. Ma'am,
Okay. Prachi not learned. Yes, Uchika, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, we have to write both essays.
Yes, you have to write both essays. This
Okay,
is for your
ma'am.
practice. Okay, Nidhi, go next.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nidhi. I read in class 5th. Today I am going to recite a poem. My poem name is The Way to the Woods. The shot the road through the woods 70 years ago. Whether the rain have undown it again, and now you would never know. There was once a road through the woods before they planted the trees. It underneath the copies and health and the thin amos only the keeper sees that where the rings down boards and the bangers roll at ease there was one road to the woods. Thank you, everyone. This poem is written by Rudyard Kipling. Thank you.
Rudyard Kipling. All right, very good. Harshit Gupta next.
Yes, ma'am.
याद करती हूँ मैं.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friend. My name is Harshit Gupta. I recite to say a poem. That name is The Way Through the Woods. They shut the road through the woods 70 years ago. Weather and rain have undone it again, and now you would never know. There was once a road through the woods before they planted the trees. It is under the net, the coppice, the heath, and its animals. Only the keeper sees that were the and ring dove broods and the beggars roll at the ease. There once a road through the woods. Thank you. The poet name is Rudyard Kipling.
Excellent. Okay. Anyone else, or should I take the names? Once you have to recite the full first page of the poem. Pratham has already. Ananya, go next.
Hello everyone, I am Ananya of class 5B. Today I am here to recite a poem. The poem is The Way Through the Woods. They shut the road through the woods 70 years ago. Weather and rain has undone it again, and now you would never know there was a road through the woods. Before they planted the trees, it is underneath the coppice and heath, and the thin anemones. Only the keeper sees that where the ring doves broods and the badger roll at ease. There was once a road through the woods. Thank you. The poet name is Rudyard Kipling.
Okay. Yes, Pratham, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, we have to send the essay.
Yes, Bache, after revision, how will you know that you have done it correctly or not?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. All right. Before going further, I would like to tell you your 10 marks assignment. Fine. In the previous term also, we have done a 10 marks for literary development. If you remember, yes, Himanshi, you just have to recite the first page of the poem only. I'm sharing my screen to show you what you have to do this time. Fine. Question number 1 says you have to role play. There is a chapter, How the Camel Gets Its Hump. You can read any of the dialogue with expressions. You have to read the dialogue with expression. You can read it from the book. You do not have to learn it. You just have to read the dialogue from the book with the expressions. Fine. It is about camel. There are animals So you have to create this some voices or add something of your own. Question number 1 understood, everyone? This is of 5 marks. Another 5 marks, this is your written part. Question number 2 is your written part. Again, chapter number 6 is about strange sports. If you read the chapter, you will find there are many strange sports. There are 4 strange sports that are being played in the chapter. So what is your task? First, you have to list any 2 strange sports around the world. Question number 2, A part says you have to list any 2 strange sports around the world. And do you think it is important for the people to take part in the strange sports? See, strange is that is not common. If you read the chapter, you will see there is a game about cheese. Fine. So what is your task? You have to find out 2 more strange sports and then you have to write that do you think that people should take part in these sports or not? And B part, you have to invent a strange sport. You can invent any sports. For I'm not giving any example, otherwise you will copy my example only. Just make any sports that you want that is strange. You have to make it interesting. And then you have to write any 3 rules that has to be followed to take the part in that sport. Understood the questions? Yes, Ruchika?
Ma'am, I don't understand first part.
Okay, first part is you have to read a dialogue from the book. You do not have to learn. There is a chapter called How the Camel Got Its Hump. You can take up any
Yes,
dialogue
ma'am.
from the book and you have to read it with expressions. You do not have to learn, you have to read from the book.
मैम एक्चुअली मैम मेरा इंटरनेट इशू था तो मैम
That's
इसमें मैम
okay.
ये
Not
क्या
a Hindi class. Not a Hindi class.
मैम आई हैव अ नेटवर्क इशू सो मैम बट वी हैव व्हेन वी हैव टू डू दिस
I'm telling that I've not given the date of submission. See, as soon as we'll finish with speaking skills, if you remember, I have given you the opportunity for sending the videos also. So by tomorrow, we'll wind up with speaking skills. So for Thursday, what is the date on Thursday? Wait a minute.
थर्सडे डेट इज
Today is 12th, 18th. So February 18th is the deadline. Thursday. Fine for submitting
ma'am.
question number 2. Question 1 will be done in the class in the Zoom session. Or you can make the video. You have both the options. Either make a video for question 1 or perform in the Zoom class. Question 2, you have to submit on 18th Feb. I'll open the group at 1:30 after my class. After your English
मैम
class, I'll
18
open.
इज थर्सडे
Yes, I told Thursday bache only. 18th Thursday. Today is 12. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. That's more than enough. Fine. Any doubt?
मैम वी हैव टू मेक second question A part and B part video and first part we
No,
will
no,
do
no.
in
You have
class.
no. See, question number 1, you can make either the video or you can perform in the class. Question number 2, first and second part has to be written and sent. You have to write
Okay,
on
ma'am.
A4 sheet or your notebook. That's up to you. And then you have to send. This entire is of 10 marks. Yes,
Okay.
Pratham.
Ma'am, if we are waiting, sorry, making video, so we have to send till Thursday.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in
Pratham.
question 3, we have to make, ma'am, in question 3, we have to make a sport by our own.
Yes, you have to imagine, use your imagination and then create a strange sport. It should not be common like cricket or basketball.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, if I
Any
invented, so ma'am, then what we do?
see, you have to give the name of the sport that this sport I have invented and 3 rules. There are rules that you have to take part. For example, in cricket, there must be a bat and a ball, right? There must be 11 members in one team. So like this, you have to create any 3 interesting rules to take the part in that sport.
Okay, ma'am.
Himanshi? Namrata?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, in question 2A part, ma'am, I can't understand it.
Bache, you have see read chapter number 6. It is talking about strange sports. You will then find out from Google or search it that and name any 2 sports that are strange, and do you think that people should take part or not? And give your reason why people should take part or why people should not take part.
Okay, ma'am.
Ayush?
Ma'am, we have to send you essay writing.
Yes, bache, if you have done, please send me. How will you know whether it is correct or not? It does not have marks. It does not.
Ma'am, which time? Ma'am, which time?
Whenever you are finished. Whenever you are finished.
Okay.
Any other doubt, anyone? See, again, I'm repeating. Question 2 has to be in written. You have to write. And on Thursday only, you will send me in the group. And for videos, either perform it in the class or send me the video again in the group only. You will not send me individually. Fine. Yes, Prateek. Okay. Yes, Vansh.
Ma'am, I want to ask speaking. I hand raised because I want to
That's
participate in speaking.
That's okay, Vansh. I know it was 11. I needed the last 10 minutes to explain this literary development. So we'll continue the speaking skills in the next class, that is tomorrow. Tomorrow I will take
Okay,
up
ma'am.
listening skills of everyone, those who are left. So be prepared. Or send me the video. Otherwise, I'm putting zeros. Tomorrow is the last date for speaking skills. Fine. Any other doubt? Yes, Manchi. Man, yes.
Ma'am, which thing of which thing we have?
What, Manchi?
Ma'am, of which thing we have to make video?
Mansi, why are you not listening? Either for speaking skills, you can make a video and send, or you have to do it on Zoom class. In case you have a lot of issues, you can send me the video as well.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, so the time is running. Let's reconnect tomorrow at 12:30. Before that, please learn the poem and recite. And if you have any doubt in literary development, ask me tomorrow, Pratham. Or you can WhatsApp me your time.
मैम जो आपने अभी स्क्रीन शेयर करी थी मैम ये तीनों का
Bye everyone. Take care of yourself and Kunal, if you speak in
Bye,
English,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,